So today is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's appearance day. That's why we have to very, very carefully remember this point. Why he came and why should we follow him? And by following him, what will we benefit? And is there any other benefit that can compare to this benefit? So that is what we have to understand, that is what we must meditate on today especially. And beg for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy on this very special day when he is very, very magnanimous. He is already extremely magnanimous and he has become even more magnanimous on this Gaur Purnima day. And let us pray to him that we can follow him without any deviation, without any interruption, and we can become an instrument in his hand, in his sankirtana movement, and we can spread this Krishna consciousness movement to those who are around us in a most effective way, because that's what he wants. He came to distribute this Krishna Prema, and if he sees that we are also trying to distribute this Krishna Prema, then he will become happy. And in this way, very soon, the whole world will become inundated with Krishna Prema, according to his prediction.